Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho. Everyone knows I love cookies, but have you ever heard of cookie cake? Well, a cookie cake is just what it sounds like, a giant cookie baked in the shape of a cake, then decorated with frosting and sprinkles. People love cookie cakes because they're chewy like cookies, but big enough to share at parties. Just slice it up like a cake. You can decorate cookie cakes any way you like. Birthday wishes, holiday designs, or just extra chocolate. Ho ho ho. So the next time you're craving cookies and cake, remember, there's a jolly treat that gives you both. The cookie cake. Ho ho ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.